Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this whole month, we're teaching a phrase, be careful, whenever you want to remind someone to be careful about something, maybe about the traffic, about eating, or whatever. How do you say be careful? 小心到底怎么说呢？声音 Okay, that means be careful. All right, let's say right now it's typhoon season. 现在比较进入这个所谓的台风季要来了，对不对？所以呢，可能有时候外面风雨很大，开车一定要小心啊。
没错。
尽量不要出去开车，但如果万一你在外面的话，那还是要小心一点了哈。Okay, so let's teach you some of these phrases for that scenario. 外面的风雨好大哦。That means, it's really raining hard outside and the winds are gusting.
我背嘅風，
我背嘅風，動態，
一壓胎，
怎麼這麼多胎？
風動態，一壓胎，就風大雨也大
對嘛，胎是大的意思嘛，對不對？風大雨也大嘛。So you heard 胎 twice, right? That means big. 胎 means big. The winds are big and the rain is huge as well. 這個風的話就風。Right? 然後那個雨的話就是意 Okay, 風 and 意 that means 風雨 or wind and rain. 好，再一次。
我背嘅風，動態，一壓胎。那海陸腔的雨呢，我們就不會說意，我們會說水。
變水了這樣子。Okay.
水動態落水。
All right, one dialect for rain is 意 and the other one is 水 which literally means water. So it's pouring water, it's raining. All right, 那台風好像快來了嘛，怎麼說？
風采，動槍。會來了，風采動槍會來了。
Okay, 風采 that means the typhoon. 風災好像已經快來了 it's coming soon. 所以等等下班開車要小心哦。When you get off work, drive carefully.
等下下班，試踩，愛食你。
愛食你。
等下下班，試踩，愛食你。
等他下班就是等一下下班 When you get off work later 然後 always say 你嘛就是要小心了 Alright, let's review some of these phrases such as 風跟雨風意 Okay, those are winds and rain And then 颱風風采 That's how you say typhoon in Hakka And this whole month we're teaching you the phrase 小心聲音 Okay, that means be careful again And especially when the winds and the rain are picking up Even if there's no typhoon Be careful when you're driving out there Alright, that does it for today's Practical Hakka 漢字四張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.